Hey, I'm Alan. Welcome aboard. If you're new to the website and the concepts here, this video is to sort of introduce you a little bit to what I'm trying to achieve here. And what I've been seeing is people with MS that aren't getting any assistance with managing the new technologies and things and adapting the technology to them. And this doesn't mean building whole heap of electronics. It's using stuff off the shelf so we can adjust and be able to buy things as you need them to make it as simple as possible for you to adapt to your needs. You might find something online that looks really good, but you don't know how to connect it to your stuff. The goal of what I'm trying to achieve is keep the cost low. You choose what you want to add to it, and then we try and add it to the system. But one of the biggest problems I've faced is when I meet someone for the first time, all the account structures need to be fixed using their existing systems and emails and things like this, but the account structures need to be fixed so everything runs. So when you do buy something, it quickly plugs into what you've already got and works with the voice controllers or the virtual assistant or however we're trying to move things. So the goal is, with everything, is reduce subscriptions or none, reduce risks, increase hygiene, future pace your changes. So you've got to be able to go, okay, well, I know my condition changes and I'm only going to be able to have these skills. This is how I'm going to be able to use this. And this has worked quite well. Simplifying management. The other thing is to not add lots of apps or different things. We're trying to keep it all within the same framework so you can but also have a lot of choice. There's some systems out there that restrict your choice and you can't add different connections to it. You have to buy particular devices, and really I'm trying to avoid that. The other thing that's more important than everything is the onboarding. There's no point setting you up if you don't get the onboarding you need. Now, sometimes, well, a lot of time actually, people don't realize how much onboarding they need. I usually start off with getting them 2 to 3 things that make them successful straight away. Goal 1 is get started, feel successful, and get used to it. The second thing is, when you go back, you need to have extra sessions to go back and calibrate, because after setting something up, I'll do a couple of simple things, and then when I see you again, or I end up going, okay, well, I've just did that to get you started. Now what you need to do, you can do this and this and this as well. So it's developing and it's calibrating to you, because we might be able to adjust the way a keyboard works. We might adjust the delay. We might be able to adjust the type of keyboard. We might be able to do, so teaching you now while you still have the abilities, when later on it helps you remember and ingrain it, and then later on you'll have more control over your home environment and things that you like. So please join me here. You will find some free information around, and you will be able to get in contact if you want to, but there's also specific areas you can go to if you want a personal approach. Anyway, I wish you all the best. This is just a welcoming message, and thanks for coming aboard.